All right, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. Now, behind me is a 1996 BMW 318i convertible, and what we're going to be doing today is cleaning and protecting the soft top. Now, in this case, this car actually has a fabric soft top, and I would even consider it to be more sensitive than your paint. So there's definitely preventative measures that you want to take in terms of taking care of your soft top, because we want to make sure that it looks good as well as lasts for a very long time. So let's get started. The products that we're going to be using today is Chemical Guys' convertible top cleaner, as well as their convertible top protectant, a microfiber towel, a garden hose with a spray nozzle attachment, and a clean bucket of water with a soft bristle brush, and a toothbrush if optional for optimal detailing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray down the top with some water. All right, so our next step is we're gonna take our convertible top cleaner and we're just gonna shake it up and take our soft bristle brush that's been sitting in the bucket and just pick it up, give it a quick spray. And we wanna start with a small area before we start doing the whole entire top, just to see the difference and see what's happening with the chemical reaction. So we'll just start right here. And you'll start to see as soon as you apply it that you'll get a lathering action. And that just means the product's working at lifting all the dirt and contaminants off the surface. And once you're done scrubbing down a piece of the top, you want to take our garden hose again. We're just going to spray it off. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be doing the rest of the top. I also wanted to mention that it's okay for this product to either get on your paint or your windows. It's going to do nothing at all to the finish, and it's super easy to wipe off. And if your soft bristle brush can't access the small little edges of the fabric top, you can always just spray some of the product onto a wet toothbrush and just detail it right on the edge. And that's really gonna make a difference. All right, now that we've applied our top cleaner and cleaned the soft top, it's starting to look really good. But before we spray the protectant on, we need to make sure that we dry this surface off. So what I'm gonna be using is a microfiber towel. But before I just start lathering all over the place and trying to dry this off, I want to make sure to blot the area lightly, like so, just like that. Now, when we go about spraying this on, there's no need to wipe this anywhere. We just want to spray it like a mist. And we're just gonna Okay, now that we've applied 2 to 3 coats of the top protectant and it's all cleaned off now, it looks like it's brand new. It looks awesome. And now the fact that we can go back and look at what it was like before is really going to show the difference in terms of how clean the top looks now. And now the fact that we have the protectant on top, that's going to help with, you know, preventing it from getting any sort of like sun damage when sitting in direct sunlight for a long period of time, as well as any water trying to actually get soaked into the fabric will now just kind of bead off and run off the side of the car. But I think I'm going to end the video here. So thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.